everyone! Did I just say... Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Annoying. She doesn't need sympathy. Pathetic. The worst. I just hate it. Hey, Pamela Swing. I just felt bad that even Jericho Arceo was there. Di ba kayo nasaktan? Pinagtripan kayo for... Niloko niya kayo for... Shoutout kay Rai Sagun for making my morning very uplifting, for commenting on a video which I mistakenly uploaded. Just want to tell you that I received the hug. Appreciated and overused. Aside from Rai Sagun, I also received different comments when I woke up. It's because before I slept last night, I commented to a one video that was on my notification. Apparently, it was a video from Mica Salamanca, which the video is entitled By YouTube. Let's search. She entitled it first, By YouTube, ... without the word negativity. The thumbnail says, "Thank you so much." From the very first second na nakita ko yung post niya, alam ko na talagang it was just a clickbait. But because it is me, lahat ng bagay tinitingnan ko ang brighter side. I felt like maybe I should watch this video. Maybe she needs a hug. Maybe she is really quitting YouTube. Maybe she needs a comment from me as well and from everyone that loves her. Pinanood ko yung video niya. Mica Salamanca is a Kapampangan. I am a Kapampangan. And it's a Kapampangan duty to support a co-Kapampangan. That's a rule. That is why I am subscribed to her. I'd like to support all of her videos. But etong post na to, it's just awful, annoying, and heartbreaking. The video clearly shows that she doesn't need sympathy. Disclaimer. Para sa akin, saying goodbye to a craft or passion which you love, to the people that support you, and then ending up to just telling them it's not real. It's just so pathetic. The title, Goodbye YouTube, clickbait, is the worst title a YouTuber could have in their YouTube lifetime, unless they are really quitting the craft. I just hate it when people use the supporters, followers, subscribers' emotions. It's really ironic that the video wants to promote positivity, but then it is using lies. You may call it white lies, but still lies. You're still lying. 6 minutes mong pinagtripan ang emotion ng taong totoong nagsusuporta sa'yo. Ayaw mo ng negativity, but here you are, clickbaiting. Hindi ko rin magets kung bakit yung mga ibang sikat na YouTuber kinagat yung video na yun. Ano yun? Imagine this situation, ha? Hey, Pamela Swing, pwede mo ba akong gawin ng video telling that I'm quitting YouTube? Pero at the end of it, sasabihin mo lang na goodbye negativity? Dun pa lang sa idea na mag-clickbait ka ng mga tao for views. It's already disgusting. Paano ba yun? Nandamay ka pa ng mga kokontsabahin mo. I just felt bad that even Jericho Arceo was there. Buti na lang wala siya dun sa video na mag-quit na siya sa YouTube sa negativity. I still love you, Jericho Arceo. The video isn't promoting that she needs love and support from us. What it is telling us is she needs more views, subscribers, likes, comments, road to 1 million. That's it. I know, supporters. Support. Hindi ba kayo nasaktan? Pinagtripan kayo for 6 minutes. I mean, ako nga nasaktan eh. I felt cheated. And then, I'm not sure when she changed the title. Pinalitan na lang niya ng By YouTube Negativity. Let's go back to the comment which I made yesterday. I hope YouTubers never use again the emotions for clickbaits. It's just awful. Well, I didn't mean to bash Mica Salamanca alone. It's general. I'm done with clickbaits. I'm sick of clickbaits that use our emotions to get in the video. Huwag mong gagamitin yung emotions para manloko. Do you get me? Huwag mo kong lokohin for views. Sabi ni Aura, right? And then from Elmer the Great, she did it because for us to entertain her videos. No, she did it not for you to be entertained. Saying goodbye YouTube is already a negativity. It's not an entertainment to make your supporters feel sad, emotional, depressed for you quitting YouTube. Never. And then from Donna Ahok, it's clearly not clickbait. Lol. And then because I can, well technically she didn't. Title says By YouTube Negativity. Before that, my comment was before she changed the title. From Yusria S, if you don't like it, why are you even here? Not because I don't like a video, that means I'm not supposed to be there. Right. It's not because I don't like the person, it's because I don't like the video. I don't like the content. You don't hate the person, you hate the action. And hindi siya for entertainment purposes? Clearly not. If it is for entertainment purposes, it should be something light or something enlightening. It should never be that depressing and then after that you cut and then just tell them, no joke, I'm just quitting YouTube negativity. Whatever. That's it, guys. Ito lang naman ang gusto kong iparating sa inyo lahat. If you don't want to spread negativity or if you don't want to claim negativity, do it in a positive and light way. Stop depressing people for clickbaits. You get what I mean? Kung fan ako ni Mika, I'll get hurt more than this. I felt cheated. Niloko niya ako for views. Niloko niya kayo for views. I don't want to say bad things about her, but she might be depressed from the social media. Well, maybe this includes the reason why she's quitting the negativity of YouTube. But I just hate it when people take advantage of their followers. It's saddening. She could have used that 6-minute video telling positivities in life. Or maybe a song cover. Imagine, yung follower mo down na nung araw na yon. Tapos nakita pa niya yung idol niya magkukwit ng YouTube. Imagine that stress. Well, that's my point. That's what I'm talking about. That's it, guys. This video is not promoting hate comments or unnecessary debates. I just want to encourage other YouTubers na kung mag-clickbait kayo, huwag niyong laruin yung damdamin ng mga nanonood sa inyo. And there are a lot of people out there who need more attention than us. Maybe we should use that platform to inspire. You all have the power to influence. Let's do it in a proper way.